forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Well, happy Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Margot Altschiller. We are weather aware, and it's not because we're expecting more snow, but because we are expecting to see frigid overnight lows for the next couple of days. Now, this is a look outside from Fairfield Glade, and usually around this time you can't even see on this camera. It's just pitch dark, but because of the snow, you can actually make out the houses back here, the golf course, even the pond right here. Now, as I mentioned, it was frozen, but I don't recommend skating on it. It hasn't had enough time to freeze, so you probably will fall through, and you don't want to do that. It's very, very cold. But again, we are expecting to see frigid conditions. We're already starting to see temperatures well below freezing as we head further into this evening. Now, we're sitting at 25 here in Knoxville, 25 in Maryville, 27 in Gatlinburg, 29 in Tellico Plains, 15 in Oneida, 17 in both Jamestown and Crossville. Still dealing with a few flurries, especially in the northeastern northeastern portion of our area. Here you can see the purple. Not seeing heavy flakes, but a few flakes here and there. So just be aware of that. One thing we're also watching specifically are wind gusts. It's not because we're expecting to see gusts getting up to 60, 70 miles an hour. We're going to actually see them consistently stick to that 20, 25 mile an hour range. This, however, is going to impact us because it is going to cause us to see wind chill. Now, what is a wind chill? This is when we see those consistent winds mixing in with those colder temperatures, those below freezing temperatures, and it makes us feel very, very cold outside. It makes us feel colder than that 27 degrees, makes us feel colder than that 32 degrees. So we have a wind chill advisory for all of us here in the white. Along the blue is a wind chill warning because we could see temperatures getting very, very low in the negatives. Hour by hour, as we head further into the rest of the night, we are expecting to hit the teens here in the next hour or so, and we are going to continue to see things cooling down to where overnight lows fall to 10 degrees here in Knoxville, 9 in Maryville, 9 in Gatlinburg, 7 in Morristown, 8 in Kingston, and look at this, 3 degrees in Crossville, and with that wind chill, gonna feel closer to that 0 degrees. So just be aware of that, and things cool off even more as we head towards Sunday morning, waking up 6 degrees here in Knoxville, 2 in Maryville, -7 in Mount LeConte. That's why we have that wind chill warning. We'll already be feeling close to that -7 degree range, and even colder with that wind chill. So just be aware of that. If you have to be anywhere before the sun rises, I do recommend you bundle up significantly. Stay warm. Good news, we warm up as we start a new week. We'll be above freezing by Monday. 43 is expected to be our high. The sun does peek through on Sunday, and we are dry all weekend, but heading on into next week, we actually expect to see rain chances increasing, especially Tuesday going into Wednesday. Luckily, though, look at this. We're looking at 49 on Tuesday and getting to the low 60s by the end of the week next week. So I'll take the low 60s and a few rumbles here and there rather than this bitterly cold. But again, we will be bitterly cold as we head towards the weekend. Make sure you stay warm. We'll be right back with sports.